from this moment forward, look out for the red shirt, because I have decided to make a number of videos to help you with your everyday car maintenance, topping up your windscreen washers, I'm nowhere near American, how to change a tyre, how to check your engine oil, just the simple things in life that trip most people up. Okay, so watch out for the red shirt and the Regucation emblem, because that's what I'm going to call it, Regucation, and hopefully it may be of use to you while you're here, while you're there and passing through. Please like, please subscribe and share it with your friends. This will help you, it will help my figures in the YouTube world, and it will give me encouragement to make more and more videos. So thank you very much, have a nice day, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon, guys.